for my short traders out there. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, it's really, kind of easy to decipher. If you look at it real quick, you see a big move up, moving back into the 50 EMA, moving down, moving back in, moving above the 50 EMA, moving down the 50 EMA. This is on a 15-minute time frame. You can see again moving up out of the 50 EMA, moving back into the 50 EMA because it's trying to keep the alignment. We see this was since Monday, since today, this morning. EU Brinks opened and it's moved it all the way down to let's see, 20,730. Now it's trying to move back into the 50 EMA. For my day traders out there, it might be a nice little trick to use. And you see New York opened, right? The volatility is coming back in. New York pushed back into the 50 EMA, but it's just been open. I suggest you wait about an hour and a half, because then you can see what the heading is. Are we going further up? To see on the 4-hour charts, are we going further up? Maybe perhaps to the next resistance levels, which would be near the 21,000 mark, 21,500, and maybe even surpass that to go to 22,000. And while I'm here, let's take a look at Ethereum as well. Ethereum on the 4-hour time frame. I mean, it's still the same movement as Bitcoin, far above the 800 EMA. Now we see the US dollar actually had a move upwards. It's actually moving back towards the 50 EMA. Still far below it, but I do reckon we will see the 50 EMA hit within a day, maybe two, going back to 130 mark. As you can see, it's a big spike up this morning, 6 a.m. for me. Big spike up. US Brinks open, probably will likely move it further to the daily high. Now let me close the labels real quick. And let's see if it's going back to the euro. Euro has stabilized. It's not been going great today. Not a big movement, not big volatility movement. It's just been stabilizing on, is it previous support levels, maybe even. Let's see. Not really. It's just been stabilizing where it is. Not been doing much today. If we see gold, oh yeah, I still have the drawings on gold. There's not a retrace yet, but we'll see about that. Gold still with most likely the statement coming out this week from China, from England today even, and Canada. If they're all like, if they're all bad, saying, inflation is up, interest rates is up, CPI is up, the numbers aren't looking good, gold will most likely rise up towards the next resistance level, 2000, maybe even higher. And US oil will probably do the same and rise up towards the 800 EMA. Now we see the Nasdaq still continuing, still touching the 200 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. Now we see the 2-hour time frame. Let's see, yeah, 2-hour 5 time frame. It's broken the 200 EMA, even on the 1-hour. Let's see, what's the 1-hour telling me? Yeah, 1-hour, it's almost towards the 800 EMA, forming into a M formation right here. Boom, 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 and then going down, maybe into a nice W formation, trying to break the 800 EMA, going into the next resistance. Right, Tesla still Tesla, moving around the 50 EMA. But if we take a look at Bitcoin back again, 5 minutes away from the speeds, and if we look at the Bookmap right here, we see when New York opened, 1530, it's not really all that volatile. A big, green bulb, lots of volume coming in, at the same time, lots of volume going out. It's not really telling me all that much, but still it is. If you zoom out a bit, we see it's trying to stabilize right here. You see the shorts putting up here, the 21,300 mark, lots of volume coming in here, shorts being ready, being loaded up, and you see here longs as well, perhaps even shorts in here as well. There's a lot of volatility coming here, so expect a move either towards the 21,300 or the 2400 mark in between. Now if we zoom out a bit more on Bitcoin, let's see. There it is. There's the volume you want to see. All right, there's still a lot of volume. It's a bit load. There you go, there you go. There's the volume you want to see. All right, around the 15, 14 to 10K mark. Lots of longs made up, you know. A week ago we were at the 15K mark, right around 16K. The longs being ready on 15K, go down, going back to the shores that were here, playing around. Market maker is just moving the money around, trying to gain an advantage for himself. All right. I'm just gonna tell you, be careful, all right? A volatile week, volatile times. You read it in a news article, all right? Bank of England is speaking. Volatility is often experienced. All right, while I am waiting for the speech to start, let's do a quick 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. You see, let's see. There is what I need. The box. Whoa, nope, not here. Not here. All right, it's still stabilizing into all support levels. Let's move that out a bit and let me show you where the volume is. You see? There we go. That's what I need. Zoom out a bit more, if you please. Zoom out, zoom out. All right, it's been stabilizing in all support levels. You need to continue back the trend. There's quite a bit of volume on the left in this bar, but I'm looking at the volume down here. And that's why I'm also expecting it to go down here. Because you see there's just lots more volume in here and going in. All right, there's also a lot going out, but what that tells me is that people were expecting volatile, movements here because of the CPI numbers. So they were taking money out, then they were more than they were putting in. And right here, it's just been the same. It's just been level, right? I'm expecting to move down here because the money is taken out, but it's still going up. It still went up here, even though there's more money going out than there is going in. So that's why I do expect it to go down. All right, but it's still, creating a nice little, let's see, W formation, bottom, back up, and it's been just stabilizing here.